Hi, I'm Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue channel. And I'm excited that today is finally here. I'm doing the Nautical Collab Challenge with Tammy Powley, link below. With her collabs, she gives us each a word each month, and then we build a video around it. This month is nautical. So I bought this fabric and made this little outfit for my Barbie doll. And I rather like it, but I did this all with glue, including and not limited to the elastic waist. The idea was I wanted to take it out on water and see how well it will do. We're going to do that another day. What I have for you today, I am so excited about. I asked Deron if I could have a stand-up paddleboard, which Deron and I both enjoy. We used to stand up paddleboard and kayak quite a bit when we were in South Dakota full-time. And anyway, I love stand-up paddleboard. I asked Deron if he could make a stand-up paddleboard for Barbie. Check out what he did. Can you see the counterbalance and the fin underneath? Look at the Barbie. Oh, I love, love, love it. The paddle, he designed this for me, and I'm going to let him tell you about it.
Well, I guess I'm going to tell you a little bit now about what I did here. This is the prototype. This is the first one I ever did. I'm pretty happy with it. There's a few things I still want to tweak, but you know how that is. You're always messing with your work. So what I really like about this is the offset weight here. Martin wants to actually put this out on the water, and with all of the weight here up above the board, the hard part about stand-up paddling is your balance. But obviously this Barbie here has no balance. Whatever her balance is what you set her up as. So to let her have her arms out or whatever and not tip over in the water, we're going to need some weight down here. And I'm just going to look for some bigger weight once I figure out how much weight we need to keep her upright. So this model here I printed in 3 pieces. My printer will only do about half this or a little more. So I thought about doing 2 pieces. I did 3 because this puts the fin and the Barbie on the back and the front, and the middle piece is where I might have to tweak it if I need to make changes to the design. And it makes it a small package if we decide to sell this on our website. If that's something you might be interested in, just leave a comment down below and I'll try and answer anybody's questions about the model itself as well and other 3D things I do. It's just a fun thing for me. I am not artistic, I'm more of an architect. Other thing I did here, because she wanted to put this out in the water, I had to make sure she was stable at any time, and so I created these kind of boots that didn't hide too much of her feet but held her in place. And of course then the same stand hooks that I use for the Blythe, or similar stand hooks I use for the Blythe, gives her a nice stability. She seems like she's going to hold up, and I guess when we get out to the water we will find out whether this actually works, or will she be going for a swim like we do often when we're stand-up paddling.
Welcome to the Lake Thimble, which we call it. Okay, it's a small pond to you and I, but to Barbie, it's a great lake. So I used to stand up paddleboard, but it's been 3 years and 30 pounds ago. Well, not quite 30 pounds, but pounds. Let's see what happens today. Woo, scary. Ta-da! Woo! Wait, let me pull this down. Woo-hoo! I don't have my feet straight. Ah! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
Come on, we need a blooper. Okay, so evidently she wants to get somebody falling in, and more specifically me.
No, that's not true. Woo! Ta-da!
It's been a while.
I know.
And remember, don't lock your knees. That's hardest thing to remember.
And lean with your paddle.
Oh, I feel like a 2-year-old on a bicycle. Good girl. Come on, good girl. Sit.
Okay, Deron and Barbie are out stand-up paddleboarding, and Deron just made a really cool observation. Barbie's stand-up paddleboard is tracking straight. I am absolutely thrilled with Barbie's stand-up paddleboard and mine, and that I could still stand up paddleboard. We had so much fun out on our little lake. Okay, it's a pond. We still had fun. If you hear somebody holler while I'm talking, Barbie's about to get it in the tow. This is a stand that Deron also designed and came up with, and the little shells and this whole bit was all Deron's design. I just love this beach stuff. Thank you so much, Tammy, for coming up with the Nautical. And we will get back to testing the glue in this outfit on the water on another video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.